Welding machines are the backbone of buildings, stability, and durability. There are several types of welding machines, but the use of arc welding machines in the welding industry is the most versatile because of their paramount importance in the construction of project works. The selection of appropriate arc welding machines directly impacts the overall outcome of the project because it influences the safety, longevity, and cost-effectiveness of welding processes. One of the fundamental aspects of choosing an arc welding machine is selecting the appropriate amperage range. Amperage determines the intensity of the welding arc and is crucial for producing quality welds. Consider the thickness of the materials you'll be welding. Thicker materials typically require higher amperage settings, while thinner materials need lower amperage. Choose a machine that offers an amperage range that aligns with your welding needs. Arc welding machines stand as versatile workhorses in the world of metal fabrication and construction. Within the realm of arc welding, various processes like shielded metal arc welding (SMAW), gas metal arc welding (GMAW), and gas tungsten arc welding (GTAW) cater to different requirements. SMAW provides portability and works well outdoors, while GMAW is suited for high-speed production. GTAW, on the other hand, offers precision and control, making it ideal for intricate work. This array of processes ensures that arc welding machines can be tailored to match the demands of specific projects. In this video we will show you how to select the appropriate arc welding machine for a positively outstanding result. It is important to understand the characteristics of various arc welding machines in order to make informed decisions before purchasing an arc welding machine or carrying out any welding activity. This includes considering factors such as strength, welding ability/capacity, and cost-effectiveness. By choosing the right arc welding machine, welding professionals can ensure welding integrity, meet project specifications, and optimize performance. These are some facts about arc welding. 1. Explaining the process of arc welding. Arc welding is a fundamental welding process that involves creating an electric arc between an electrode and the workpiece. The intense heat generated by the arc melts the base metal and, in some cases, the electrode as well. As the molten metal cools, it fuses together, creating a strong and permanent joint. 2. Some different types of arc welding processes. Arc welding encompasses several distinct processes, each tailored to specific applications and materials. Shielded metal arc welding (SMAW), commonly known as stick welding, employs a consumable electrode coated with flux. As the electrode melts, the flux produces shielding gases that protect the weld from impurities. SMAW is versatile, portable, and suitable for various materials, making it a preferred choice for maintenance and outdoor applications. Gas metal arc welding (GMAW), MIG welding (GMAW), or metal inert gas (MIG) welding uses a continuous consumable wire electrode fed through a welding gun. An inert gas shield protects the weld from atmospheric contamination. GMAW is fast, efficient, and widely used for both thick and thin materials. Gas tungsten arc welding (GTAW), TIG welding (GTAW), or tungsten inert gas (TIG) welding employs a non-consumable tungsten electrode. An inert gas shield protects the weld while a separate filler rod may be added. GTAW offers exceptional precision and control, making it ideal for critical applications and intricate designs. These are some guides to assessing your welding needs. 1. Identifying the type of projects you'll be working on. Before selecting an arc welding machine, a fundamental step is understanding the nature of the projects you'll be undertaking. The scope of your welding tasks will greatly influence the type of machine you should choose. Whether you're engaged in heavy structural fabrication, automotive repairs, artistic creations, or intricate precision work, each project category requires specific welding processes, equipment features, and capabilities. 2. You need to consider the materials you'll be welding, steel, aluminum, etc. The materials you intend to weld play a pivotal role in the selection of your arc welding machine. Different metals possess varying melting points, thermal conductivity, and other unique characteristics that impact the welding process. For instance, steel, a common material in fabrication and construction, steel welding requires machines with versatility to handle various steel grades and thicknesses. Aluminum, welding aluminum demands precise control over heat input due to its high thermal conductivity. Machines with adjustable amperage and post-welding capabilities are beneficial. Stainless steel. Stainless steel welding requires clean, well-protected welds to prevent oxidation. Processes like TIG welding, GTAW, with inert gas shielding are often preferred. 3. Evaluating the thickness of the materials. The thickness of the materials influences the amperage and voltage settings needed for optimal weld penetration and strength. Thicker materials generally require higher amperage, while thinner materials demand lower amperage settings. Choose an arc welding machine with an amperage range suitable for the thicknesses you'll be working with. A machine with adjustable settings allows you to adapt to various material gauges. 4. Determining the welding environment, indoor, outdoor, confined spaces. The environment in which you'll be welding has significant implications for machine selection. Indoor, if your projects primarily take place indoors, you have more control over factors like wind and weather. You can consider a broader range of welding machines, focusing on factors like power source availability and machine features. Outdoor welding introduces challenges such as wind, rain, and dust that can affect the welding arc. For outdoor work, consider machines with good arc stability and features like adjustable arc force to combat external disturbances. Specialized requirements. Additionally, assess if your projects have any specialized requirements, such as precision welding. If precision is crucial, as in intricate artwork or aerospace components, processes like TIG welding, GTAW, offer finer control and detail. High production. For industrial settings with high production demands, processes like MIG welding, GMAW, offer speed and efficiency. Maintenance and repair. Repair work often requires portability and adaptability to different materials and conditions. Versatile processes like stick welding, SMAW, are commonly used. Understanding your welding needs in terms of project scope, material types, thicknesses, environment, and any specialized requirements provides a solid foundation for selecting the most suitable arc welding machine. This informed approach ensures that your chosen machine aligns seamlessly with the demands of your projects, enabling you to achieve superior welding results with efficiency and precision. 6. Budget considerations. While assessing your welding needs, it's essential to factor in your budget constraints. Arc welding machines vary in terms of features, capabilities, and price points. It's crucial to strike a balance between your welding requirements and the resources available. Opting for a machine that meets your immediate needs while offering room for growth and versatility can be a prudent investment in the long run. 7. Seeking expert advice. If you're new to welding or facing complex projects, don't hesitate to seek advice from experienced welders or professionals in the field. Their insights can provide valuable perspectives and help you make an informed decision. Additionally, many welding equipment suppliers and manufacturers offer consultation services to guide you in choosing the most suitable machine based on your needs. If you are seeing this video for the first time, do well to tap on the subscribe button to subscribe so that you can get new video notifications. In the world of welding, where precision and strength intersect, the choice of an arc welding machine is a decision that holds transformative potential for your projects. As we conclude this guide on how to choose the best arc welding machine, it becomes clear that this decision goes beyond merely selecting a tool. It's about equipping yourself with the means to turn visions into reality, to merge metals into masterpieces, and to forge bonds that stand the test of time. If you have any questions or inquiries, feel free to visit us on gz-supplies.com or contact us at sales@gz-supplies.com. And don't forget to follow us on our social media handles on Instagram, GZ Industrial Supplies, and Facebook, GZ Industrial Supplies Nigeria.